Meaning of immorality.
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 Immorality. Immorality refers to behavior that is considered morally wrong or unethical. It typically involves actions that are harmful to oneself or others, such as lying, cheating, stealing, or engaging in inappropriate sexual conduct. Acting immorally can lead to negative consequences, both for the individual and for society as a whole. On a personal level, immoral behavior can damage one's reputation, relationships, and self-esteem. At a societal level, widespread immorality can erode trust, compromise social order, and undermine the common good. Therefore, it is generally considered important to act with integrity and uphold ethical standards in one's personal and professional life.